Good afternoon, myself Akash Mitra, and today I am going to discuss and explain another code which is basically insertion technique in array. Suppose we have declared here size of an array is 3, then after insertion size become 4, and how it is happening and why it is happening, which way it happens, I am going to discuss it in details in this video. And after and suppose so then let's get started. So before I'm going to explain this code which I have already written, let's check and run the code whether it is perfectly running or not. Okay, enter the size. Suppose the size is 4, elements 1 2 3 4. Suppose I want to insert 8. The position where I want to insert is suppose at position 1 is here. As we know, size 4 means always 0 to n minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 means it's always starts with 0. So at position 1, watch, at position where the array index 1, at that point 8 is inserted. And why it is happening, in which algorithm our C follows, the way it happening, these are the steps, step by step it is happening, and why it is happening, how I written this code, I am going to explain it in this video. These are the step, in each steps the way it is proceeding, so that 8 can be inserted in the array 1. And we have choice means that's n, no, I have done it in exit control to while loop, so as much as time user can want, and so we don't need to rerun this code again. So I have already made it in infinite loop. Okay, so let's get started. So many times I have discussed that our C always start with the header file stdio.h standard input output.h means header file, int main, our main function. Inside main function only we can run our code of C, and returning anything or returning 0 means termination of program. Now these are the variable declaration. Array declaration means integer type data can only be stored in memory through this array. This is character type variable declaration or choice, and this is where exit control to while loop. Now asking for size, this is the size of an array. Here then enter the elements of an array. This is start initialize with 0 and go up to n minus 1 is less than n. Simply equals to n minus up to n minus 1, the condition is true after for each increment. When it becomes n, it terminates this loop and displaying the array, all the array means elements of an array here. Then insertion process starts from here. Main thing starts from here. Point to be it. Okay, enter the number to be inserted. Okay, I want to insert number. Same for position where to be inserted. Now insertion process starts from here. Now suppose I have given the position. Suppose the number is 8, position is 1, and array size 3, and elements example 1 2 3. This is 0 position, 1 position, second position. Okay, at one position. At position 1 I want to insert here, and it will become this. So how it will happen? Insertion process. Suppose it always starts from n minus 1. Means suppose elements are 1, 2, 3. Then starts from 3, which index n minus 1, whose index n minus 1. Okay. Then for this n minus 1 case, and remember the size I have mentioned here 1, 2, 3. There are other elements also, and other indexes also, like 4, 5, 6 indexes also present, but contains garbage values. Then starts here. This case is always starts from here. Then array I plus 1. If I is equal to 3, then array I plus 1 is equal to 3 only. Then array I plus 1 is equal to 3 only. Okay, then it will become 1, 2, 3, 3. Then same way it will go. 3, 3. For first case, when I is equal to 3, n minus 1, extra 1 index incremented. Extra 1 index incremented. So that's why starting from, then again I have initialized another variable in j is equal to 0 to print for first case. Or for when I is equal to 3, what thing is happening here? In this loop, that will be clear. So when initialized I equals to 0, I should be less than equals to n, because another block of an array increased. Then j plus plus incrementation. Very simple. And then printing for first case. This way it prints. For first case means third case 1, 2, 3, 3. Second case 1, 2, 2, 3. That way it goes on. This is very interesting. Third case 1, 2, 3. In each decrementation, here in each case of decrementation, this for third decrementation, before the third time decrementation, here the third element value will be a second element value will be assigned to third. Then then the second means second element means first element value. This is the first element, index is 1, value will be assigned to first, and then 0 element value will be assigned to first, and that this is assigned to second, and 0 element value will be assigned to first. That way it goes on. Then after, when this all conditions satisfies, it terminates this both the loops, and then first it will terminate for position 3, then position 2, then position 1 happen, and this way this for loop will get continued. After the completion of this for loop, we are going to when array becomes 1, 1, 2, 3. At that time position is 1. Here we replace 1